In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove project in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to stay safe while you tidy up your workspace. First, open your Grok account. Use your usual browser or the Grok app, whatever you typically use. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization if you belong to more than one. This matters because removing a project affects the space you're currently in, and you don't want to clean up the wrong place by mistake. Take a second to steady your internet connection as well. It helps the interface load all options cleanly. Once you're in, click Project. This takes you to the main area where your projects are listed. You'll see your recent or pinned projects along with any shared items you have access to. If your list is long, glance at the names carefully or use the sorting and filtering controls to bring the right project into view. It's worth pausing here to double-check you're looking at the correct item, especially if you have similarly named projects. Now, select the specific project you want to remove. Open it so you can confirm its contents, files, notes, or tasks are indeed the ones you intend to delete. This quick verification step can save you from removing the wrong project. Also, if you're working in a shared environment, be mindful that removing a project may impact your teammates, depending on your permissions. Next, click the three dots. This is the More or Overflow menu, and it's usually located near the project name at the top right of the screen. On some layouts, it may appear as a small vertical icon. If you don't see it immediately, hover near the title bar or look toward the upper corners of the interface. It's designed to be subtle but easy to reach. Clicking this menu won't change your project. It only reveals management options. Finally, click Remove. When you do, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. It may explain whether the removal is permanent, whether it deletes the project for everyone, or just removes your access, and whether there's any way to restore it. If you're certain, confirm the removal. The project should disappear from your list shortly after. If it doesn't, refresh your view to update the page. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, go to your projects, select the one you no longer need, open the three-dot menu and choose Remove. Use this process thoughtfully, especially in shared spaces, and you'll keep your workspace focused and clutter-free.